This is our parrotfish. He's our first fish. I seen him in an individual pet store. I just felt so bad for him. He was down on the floor in a tank on the floor. It was all dark. He just looked so sad and so lonely. I took a picture of him the first day I seen him because I wanted to come home and show my son before we got him. And I just felt so sad for him. I came home, wanted to make sure we had the setup completed for him and ready for him. And we went back and got him 2 days later. And now we've had him for, I believe it's been about maybe a month and a half now. His name is Fireball. He is about, I would say, 7 inches long. He is a pretty good, really enjoys interaction with the family. He gives the children kisses when they come up to the tank. It's very adorable. He gets all excited when Philip comes home, since it's Philip's fish. Friday we hope to add some tank mates. I'm going to be changing the tank out slowly. We're hoping to change it out to more of a natural looking habitat of a tank. And so some of the stuff won't be in here. Like he loves his pot, so we won't be taking his pot because that's his own personal space, and he tends to like his pirate ship. And I don't know, some of the stuff I will leave for him, and he likes the grass. Everything else he don't like. But and I would like to get some sand in there. The first tank we had in there, and him was a 40-gallon tank, and it had sand as the substrate, the black sand.
How to feed them?
We ate twice today. And that just did not work. Pretty good size here. He's very delightful. We feed him pellets. I got him the large pellets because I thought he was so big, and I know from reading up on them that, that their mouth is a bit deformed. And they were just too big for him, so we got him the medium-sized pellets, and he enjoys those. He also eats dried shrimp pellets and bloodworms, freeze-dried bloodworms. He enjoys for treats. And he is very interactive. He is in our living room because he was already alone in the pet store, and I just felt so bad. He is in a 55-gallon aquarium. He loves to move the things around. He had a SpongeBob pineapple in there with him, and he just kept poking himself on it. So again, I took it out because I didn't want to see him hurt himself. Looking at you.
He don't give kisses anymore. He used to give kisses in our other tank. And now he don't give our kisses anymore. And we don't pet him anymore because the water will get blurry and we can't see him. Mommy, can you take pictures with me, with him? No, Scarlet.
I'm also hoping to put black paper on the background, and like I said, I want to add some more of the black sand substrate in there with him, and then find some granite stones and maybe some, I believe it's called, not sure exactly yet, but I think it's called fern moss. Get maybe some of that to grow, because pretty much everything else he will rip up and rip out, except for that fake stuff right there. So this is our parrotfish.